Two-factor authentication, not working on Roofstock Fix. If you're trying to log into your Roofstock account and your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't worry, you're not alone. Most users think it's a system issue or account lockout, but the surprising truth is that problems are usually easy to fix with a few quick steps. Let's start with the most common issue: time synchronization. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive. If your device's clock doesn't match Roofstock's server time, the code won't work. Go to your phone settings, enable set time automatically, and restart the phone. If you're using an authenticator app, open it, select time correction for codes, and tap sync now. Next, check for updates. Outdated versions of the Roofstock app or your authenticator app can cause problems with verification codes. Head to your app store, make sure both apps are updated, and try again. If you use text message verification and aren't receiving your code, ensure your signal is strong and that your phone can receive short codes and messages. Try toggling airplane mode or switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data. If you recently upgraded your phone, reinstalled your authenticator app, or lost access to it, you need to reset your FA. On the Roofstock login page, click Can't Access FA and follow the recovery instructions. Once you verify your identity, you'll be able to set up new two-factor authentication. Here's an important tip: always save your backup recovery codes in a safe location, like a password manager. Bury your safety net if you ever lose access again. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on Roofstock, take it step by step. Check your clock, update your apps, and verify your signal. In just a few minutes, you restore your secure access and be ready to explore property investments with confidence.